Hi everyone. Okay, so in this session, we're going to be multiplying binomials, okay, or otherwise known as FOIL. Okay, so FOIL. What this stands for, it's an acronym, okay, it's an acronym. The F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, L stands for last. Okay, and you're like, well, what does this mean? Well, I'll explain. Okay, so let's say we want to multiply these two binomials. Okay, 3x plus 1 and then 4x minus 5. Okay, so we've got two binomials. See, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now when you look at this these binomials, okay, when you think of first, okay, when you look at this binomial, which term comes first? Well, the 3x does. Okay, and then in this binomial, which one comes first? The 4x does. So that's where we get the F for, that's where we get first, you know, F first, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply these two terms first, okay? So 3x times 4x, we get 12x squared. Okay, so that's our F in FOIL. Okay, and then we've got O for FOIL. So, so the outer. Now, if you look at this together, these terms are on the outside. Okay, see, they're on the outside, and these terms are in the inside. They're in the inner. So outside, we're going to multiply the two outer terms. So 3x and negative 5. So that's the O in FOIL. Okay, so 3x times negative 5, that's negative 15x. Okay, and then I in FOIL, inner. Okay, so remember these guys were the outer. So now we have the inner. So we have the 1 and the 4x. Okay, that's the I. So 1 times 4x is positive 4x, so positive 4x, okay? And then the L in FOIL represents last. So remember, first, last, okay? So these are the two lasts, okay? So that's the L. Okay, so 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Okay, now this is what we're working with so far. Okay, and just by looking at it, I can tell we can combine like terms. Okay, so negative 15x plus 4x, that's negative 11x. Okay, and then I'm going to bring everything else down. Okay, and we've got 12x to the second minus 11x minus 5, and there you go. That's how you FOIL two binomials. There you go.